Hey everybody, I want to make this quick video. It's how important it is to understand monitor lizard behavior. And this is going to be quick, a minute or two, because my monitors are freaked out by what just happened. So a plane, a very loud, big plane came by and it was fairly low. It was still way up there, but it was so loud. It freaked out Smog, which is not shocking because he gets scared by everything and he's coming to me for reinsurance, but it freaked out Simba too, who ran, slammed into the cage, bent that bar a little bit, and now is very, very on nerves. So we've seen that with Smog, but I want to show you this behavior. But both lizards, if you see, are very scared and they've gone into a defensive scared posture. Smog has blown himself up, right? He's really pancaked himself. He wants to make himself look wide. Look at his tail. It's very itchy. He's perked up. Same thing with Simba. Look at how wide Simba is. He's ignoring these toys, which normally he'll go after like that. Instead, he's poofed himself up. He wants to escape. He's walking extremely high on his body. He's not slithering. He's up on full muscles, full legs, because he wants to get out. He's scared, and it's his defensive posture, so he's making himself look big, and he's also grunting. I want to see if we can pick up the grunt. There you go. And there's nothing you can do in this instance, guys, staying out here. I can pet him. I can reassure him. That's not going to calm him down. He needs to get out. So I'm not going to leave him in here any longer. I'm going to pick him up one at a time. I'm going to bring him in and put them in their enclosures, and it's going to be fine, and he's going to calm down. But I wanted to show you guys this because this could happen to you if you're raising monitors. Something that could happen that could scare them. And look, he's just ignoring that toy and the way he's walking. Something can happen that could scare them, and you need to get them back into a full environment that they feel comfortable in. Yes, they can come to you for reassurance, but you need to get them in a safe environment. Okay, that's it. I'm going to bring them in. If you have monitor lizards that show this, just get them to a calm, safe environment, their enclosure where they feel safe. Take care, everyone.